Caprese salad is one of my family's favorite recipes. But if tomatoes are technically a fruit, why not swap out this fruit for other fruits? And that is how I decided to make the summer mixed berries caprese salad. This salad is so beautiful. The variety of colors here makes such a gorgeous feast for the eyes. But the real bonus that it is absolutely delicious too. This gorgeous summer salad is delicious, healthy, and takes only minutes to prepare. Make it for a quick side dish, a main course, or a beautiful dish to pass at your next barbecue party or brunch. Let me know in the comments what you think of this mixed berries caprese salad recipe. First, I stemmed and quartered 2 cups of fresh strawberries. Then I added 1 cup of fresh blackberries, 1 cup of fresh raspberries, and 1 cup of fresh blueberries to the large bowl. Then I took my basil leaves and mint leaves and chopped them up finely, added them to the bowl, added 8 ounces of fresh mozzarella balls, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. You want to gently mix everything together, being careful not to break up the berries, and drizzle a little bit of balsamic glaze over the top. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, leave them for me in the comments. Follow the link in the video description to download this wonderfully delicious and healthy recipe.